Why, hello there. We have a little bit of a different opening today. How y'all doing? Welcome to Saturday. I'm not gonna lie, I'm more nervous for today than I have been for any other live stream recently. But how y'all doing? Welcome Mega, welcome Anna-kun. How you doing? How you doing? We got the Vibe Cat out for this. I figured it was a good choice. And we're gonna have some fun. Hopefully YouTube doesn't ruin it, because I've kind of forgot about some parameters, but that's okay. That's okay. I do have backups to make it work just in case. But hopefully, let me turn this music down just a smidgen, just a little bit. There we go. But hopefully it just works. Yeah, YouTube can don't be a sussy baka. That's for sure. I'm not gonna lie, I was panicking a little bit last night because when I was testing it and saw that YouTube was starting to throw errors at me, I was like, oh no, wait, what did I do? What did I mess up? But it's okay. Also, I just realized I don't have chat on this scene. Chat should now appear. No, okay, nope, it's not appearing. Okay, well, you know, things are just gonna be broken today. It's okay. We'll just kind of deal with it as it is. Well, we're gonna give people a few minutes to kind of filter in here before I turn things on, because the current limit, none of the commands work yet, Emlo. Not quite yet. I haven't turned them on. And the reason I haven't turned them on is because we only get about 200 of these. 200 messages. Not even just commands, but 200 messages once I turn this on. So I did request from YouTube to give me more, but obviously I requested that last night, so they haven't had the chance to do that yet, and I'm not sure they will. So I haven't turned them on yet. I have all the programs ready. All I have to do is push start, and then shenanigans can happen, but not quite yet. Just want to give people a few more minutes to kind of filter in before we turn things on. Yeah, I'll kind of explain how everything's working. Let's switch to a little bit more chill music now that the good old intro's over, shall we? And we can actually go to our regular scene here. Boom. Perfect. All right. So this is what some of the fun shenanigans that are going on behind the scenes are. Basically, I kind of forgot that YouTube has YouTube's a big platform. They've got a lot of stuff going on where they can't just let anyone access their database whenever they want, because there'd be way too many people doing it. So everyone has these nice little things called quotas, and they got upset at me for going over that quota. And I thought that I went over my quota for the week, but thankfully it resets by the day. So yeah, we're gonna give, in 6 minutes we're gonna turn everything on, and we're gonna see I'm crossing my fingers, and I'm gonna hope that it just all works. It should work. I tested it earlier. I tested it this morning. I only tested 2 commands. That's all I tested. So we should have a whole bunch more that we could do. But that's kind of what we're dealing with. Yeah, cross my fingers. I do have a backup that I can do. It's not quite as cool, meaning that you guys can't like chat wouldn't work, but I have buttons and stuff I can push to show off what would happen. And I'm gonna be working on this a lot more and hopefully get working with YouTube to make them increase the amount of commands I can put in. That'd be really nice, because 200 sounds like a lot until you realize that it's really not a lot. 200 chat messages is nothing. So yeah, but basically what, while we got a few more minutes before we get this started, I'll kind of just explain some of the shenanigans going on. So the way this whole thing works is I've got a little program that messages YouTube and says, hey, what are people saying? And YouTube's like, oh, okay, well, here's what people are saying. And then I got a different, and then so that program sends it off to another program that's like, hey, this is what people are saying. And that other program's like, yo, someone said exclamation mark big. And it's like, all right, well, I guess we better make the model big. And then it makes me big. It's really fun. Some of the really cool stuff that people did on like the Discord, there's a guy that hooked it up to Mario. So like if he gets a fire flower, his hair turns red, and if he gets a star, he goes rainbow. Like that's so cool. Like that's the kind of stuff we can do. I'm not that advanced yet. Like one thing I want to, make clear, I don't know programming. Everything I made was via Google and YouTube tutorials. You can learn a lot. Like you can learn a lot. So 3 minutes, and then we're gonna go back to our little rave scene that we got there, and we're gonna turn everything on. All of the commands except for one is in the description. There's one secret command that I will do later, and it'll be cool. Unless someone finds it, then we'll just deal with it. So I think there's how many commands total are there? Let me just double check that real quick. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 commands, which is what I was able to do yesterday. Before, just between a whole bunch of stuff. I had so much stuff going on yesterday. It was kind of crazy, but it works. And 2 minutes away. Oh baby, please just work. So I planned this stream. Well, planning is a big word. I didn't know I was doing this stream until 2 days ago, because the idea to do this didn't spawn until Thursday, which was 2 days ago. That's where this whole idea spawned. I learned how to do all the programming that day, and this is where we are now. So yeah, that's why this is like Scuff City. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. I'm gonna push some buttons, and in theory things will work. Now, before I push the button, I do want to say, try to talk as little as you can for the next little bit while we see if this works. Only use the commands, because again, we have exactly 198 messages about, well, not exactly, so somewhere around there. That's all we have to work with today, and then it's gonna block us. So all right, we're gonna go back to here, and I'm going to turn things on, and hopefully, oh, this is the part I'm nervous about. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Script 1 is running. No errors. Script 2. All right, go ahead and try those commands. I'm not getting an error. Oh, it read the big command from earlier. See, I'm big now. I'm big. So all the commands that you guys can use are in the description. I might put those in the pinned comment in just a second. Someone's spinning. Yes. It works. It works. Ah. So yeah, go ahead and go crazy with the commands. This is just some of the limited stuff that you can do. No space between the exclamation mark, Anna, and that'll make it work. Oh gosh. Ah! I'm indecent. That is not a great picture. Hi. Yeah, so this goes to show a interesting problem with the two models. So my human model is like gigantic compared to the cat model. Oh gosh, we went back. Yo. Oh gosh, we're so big. So yeah, this is the kind of fun stuff that you could do. Now, one thing I forgot to program is flip only flips me one way. So if you type it again, it doesn't actually do anything. To reset things. Oh, hey, I'm small now. I'm a small upside down cat. Oh, I'm so happy this is working. Random doesn't work, unfortunately. That's actually a command that I really wanted to put in, is a command that like you could type in random and it would just pick one. Oh, hey, we're back. Okay, so the center command isn't really centering, but that's okay. It's close enough. You can see what's going on. Oh gosh. I have to like bend over in a weird way just to be on the screen. Okay, so reset sets it back to a normal size. All right, I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret about what the hidden command is. The hidden command does something with colors. And anyone who was on Discord 2 days ago can, yep, there it is. Yep, it's good old rainbow. So that one was actually really fun to program, because all learning how to like get all the movement working was really fun and interesting, and even getting like the colors to work was pretty good. So I'm really just happy that all of this is working and that YouTube is not being a jerk. We're gonna leave this on for as long as we can. Once the commands stop working, then you know, it is what it is. I need to fix the human commands. Oh, I just figured out how I would want to yeah, I actually know how I would fix most of this stuff. If I if I add in a command whenever it swaps avatars to resize and rescale it, then it would be awesome. So that's something I can easily fix, thankfully. But yeah, this is what I was working on. This in total took me probably about 14 or so hours, 15 hours, something like that. If you actually knew coding, like you could probably have, oh gosh, where'd I go? There we go, down here. No, gender bed doesn't work, unfortunately. The nice thing is all the commands work independently of each other, or independent of the model. So the rainbow, the spinning, change background, I haven't put in yet, but that is one that I also want to do. I do want to be able to change like background. You can also add in items and things like that. Some of the other really cool stuff that you can do that I really want to program is like really complex sequences. So like the there we go. There we go. The rainbow command and the spin command specifically. Oh, no capital in any of the words, by the way, Anna. It is pretty case sensitive. I'm just happy that it works. So yeah, the idea is that like in future I can build a huge library of commands with all the different programs so that we can just have them on stream. Because like, come on, this is pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. Now I also need to figure out how to give this to other people because I want to see what they can do with it. But that's a few steps down the road. I'm actually a little surprised that YouTube hasn't started booting us out yet. But yeah, we'll go ahead and leave these on while we are just over here. Oh, Vtube Studio, you need to go behind chat, please. So you actually don't need to put and. If you typed in like spin, rainbow, and something else, it would just work. I think I messed up the center command because it doesn't quite do what I want it to do. Oh gosh. Big boy cats in the house. This is the screen I'm in and you guys made me so huge. Oh gosh. I was just staring into my eyes while that happened. But I'm gonna show off something real quick while you guys are continuing to have fun. This is an example of something that someone else did, and it's so cool. Oh, also, I know I'm gonna, oh, hello. I'm so tiny. You're gonna make you even bigger by spamming big. So big actually only goes up to a certain size. One big makes it go as big as you can, unfortunately. I'm so small. I'm like, I'm just a tiny little cat. Oh wait, I could do like my smug face. Hold on. While I'm that big, I could do smug. All right, where is Firefox? Did I bake most of this into the mod? No, this is all running through a different program, actually. Oh. So I wrote a program in Python that does this. Well, technically there's two programs. There's one that gets the YouTube chat and then it feeds. So the C# program feeds the YouTube chat into the Python program. And the Python program talks to the Vtube Studio API, and that's what's doing all of this. So, okay, so here is, look at this. Look at this guy. He made something so cool. So that's like, this is the kind of stuff you can do with it. So like grabs fire flower, turns hair red, grabs a star, goes rainbow. Like, isn't that so cool? Other people have done even cooler stuff. But now it's time to get this VOD claimed because there's something I wanted to do ever since I made the rainbow command. So I need you all to do one thing for me. In about 10 seconds, I need you guys to use the rainbow command very liberally. Hey, Hikaru. Because I have a thing that I want to do. Okay. Go ahead and start spamming that rainbow. Let's go. I wanted to do this with the rainbow command so bad. It's so good. It's so good. Oh gosh. Okay, okay. It's so good. Oh gosh, I'm so happy this worked out the way I wanted. It's so good. Next step is to add music commands to all this. It's so good. It's so good. Oh, I should do the dance command. Yeah, there we go. We got cat dancing. There we go. True. Okay. Oh gosh, that was so much fun. This is like the greatest thing ever. Oh, that's gonna be a Twitter clip for sure. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. That was awesome. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna look at chat. Most of Vtube Studio and chat integrations are done on Twitch, right? Yes, that is true. Because YouTube is kind of, YouTube's kind of annoying to work with, honestly. Because, so, one problem is the API limit, which is, I'm honestly surprised we haven't run into yet. I thought for sure we've hit over 200 messages by now, but you know what? It's still working, so we're still going to play with it. But also YouTube's just kind of frustrating to work with, whereas Twitch lets you do kind of whatever you want. So, oh my gosh, that clip was, oh gosh. I am fulfilled. Even if nothing else happens the rest of this stream, I am fulfilled. Oh gosh, that was so good. Oh, now I just want to do more and more crazy shenanigans. Like, kind of imagine that, but with even more like, oh geez, even more shenanigans. Okay, we got some more chill music back on. Oh gosh, that was so much fun. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me for that. That was awesome. Oh my gosh, that makes all of it worth it right there. That was so good. Oh my gosh. You can see the permanent smile on my face. Oh, that's my belt buckle. It's beautiful, isn't it? There's still some kinks to work out because oh gosh. Oh, hello there. I still have to, I need to figure out how to make things stay like somewhat in screen. But who knows? Maybe that's just the craziness. Maybe I just make so many commands that it's whatever, you know? Holy cow. Wow, man, that was so much fun. Oh, I'm just so happy it works. I'm so happy it works. Now we can vibe upside down, which is actually a little trippy to look at because I'm looking at my own screen. And so what's funny, oh. Oh, where'd it go? Where's Cat? Oh gosh, where'd Cat go? Someone reset it. I don't know where it is. I can't find it. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're back. We're back. I have no idea where it went. Oh gosh. But there's even ways to like move it by pixels. Also, welcome Lucky Cat. How you doing? Welcome to the shenanigans stream. There we go. Yeah, reset's a little weird on the cat because the cat's so small, but I'm glad that at least it puts its head back in frame. That's enough for me. I'm okay with this. Oh my gosh, man, that caramel dancing clip is gonna be awesome. I'm so excited. It's so good. It's so good. Oh my gosh. Good Saturday. Such a good Saturday. I know you can't really see it on the cat model, but I really am just so happy right now. Like, I was so worried that this wouldn't work, and it's just working fine right now. I'm so happy. And I'm even happier that YouTube's not being a jerk. So I am actually curious. I can check my usage. Wait a second. Wait. Oh my gosh. Why is that different? Okay, I don't know why it's different. I think I changed how... You know what? I'm just not even going to question it. It's just working right now. Oh, I'm huge. Does reset not reset it? Huh. Let's try, let's see if we can get it centered. Does that fix it? Nope. Okay. Obviously the position commands are something I need to fix. But you know, I wonder if you'll be able to edit it in any way that users who join the channel membership. Yes. So there's actually is a way for me to do that. Basically the way that it's running right now. Oh gosh, that is an unflattering view. There we go. Back to cat. All the position commands seem to work best for the cat. That's fine. That's cool. So the way that I can do that, Rando, is I can make people's, or I could probably just have it as a bit that you can pass through, where it just asks if the person who sent the message is a Met channel member. Oh, also welcome Katie, Kitsune Katie. How you doing? We're playing with the Vtube Studio API, as you could tell. Chat commands are in the description. Oh, so I just checked my usage on, oh gosh dang it. Gotta bend over to get in screen a little bit. Oh geez. The eyes, they stare at me. Hold on. Like, oh, you can see like the cat eyes up close. Check that out. Oh, now I'm upside down. Oh, so good. I am big. See, this is the kind of stuff, if I can figure out how to fine tune these enough, that would be a really fun idea, Rando, is to set it up so that, like, because hold on, thought process. Also, I feel like I need to change the music to be hold on, let's get some stream beat synthwave in here. Oh, I also had another music I mean, this VOD's gonna get DM or, you know, claimed anyways, but when I was first gonna show up, I was gonna play the resurrection music. But let's get some stream beats, lo-fi on here. No, wait, synthwave. Synthwave will fit better for what we got going on here. Nope, that's not what we want. Hold on, there we go. Perfect. All right, we got the right kind of music on here. Now the music matches the background. Nice. Ah, so good. So, oh yeah, thought process. So I was just checking the YouTube API. Which I don't know what I changed, but we're only at 15% of our use. So I think what was doing it, yeah, I really need to make a command to reset the human stuff. Maybe I should make like a command for like reset human and reset cat. Because that way we could have, because you can be very specific for each model to like what works best. So like when a model switches, if we want to be back in frame, you could, you know, force me back into frame. But whatever I did with YouTube, we've only used like 15% of our quota. So this might last all stream, which is kind of crazy. If this does last all stream, that's really cool. So maybe YouTube isn't as bad as I thought. You know what? Hold on. I think I know why it was having issues. I'll have to test this during the week, but I think what happens, so this is boring coding stuff for people, but it's interesting to understand why this, or how this works. I think whenever I was running the program that went to go get chat, I kept on stopping and starting it, and that must be a new API call every time it happens. So it takes up 50 out of my 10,000 quota, which is why I thought we only had 200 messages. But given, I mean, we've had to have had at least 150 messages by now, at least. And we've only used about 150 or 200 total of our 10,000 quota. So each line item must be its own 1 point of quota. So we might be able to just do this all stream. So you guys can go back to talking normally and it shouldn't affect anything until like maybe the very end type thing. I think, yeah, that's sweet. Oh, rainbow. That one I had the most fun coding. Oh, I am definitely off screen. Yo. Upside down smug face for you. Oh, so good. We might just stay in here. I don't know if you could fill it up. I keep refreshing the page to see with like how much the quota is using. We're only at, . Yeah, we're only at 1,500 still. I don't know how often this updates, but oh, now okay, it must be every few minutes. We're at 1,700 now. So we're, oh gosh, the spam. Oh gosh. So many rainbows. Man, this was awesome. I am so happy this worked. Like, oh my gosh, this was the coolest thing that I have done recently. I put this on the same level as when I got my, like when I started work on the virtual environment and stuff. Like, this is as cool as that, if not more so, mostly because it just works. Also, I'm sure that big command will come through eventually, Rando, but with the sheer number of rainbows spammed, it's got to run through all of them. Because so I don't know if you guys want or care or want to see what's going on, but I'll probably just show you anyways, because it's kind of cool. I think it's kind of cool. So just I'll show you guys what's kind of going on under the hood. Let's see, let's open up a window capture. We're gonna add a new source. This is gonna be program, or what's chat program? Perfect. Nope, I want, is it this? Nope, that's the actual program. That's the live stream. This? No. Where is it? Is it e/downloads? Where is this? Huh. I don't actually know. Wait, how do, hold on. The heck? I'm so confused. No, that's the dev environment. Hey, what's up, New Basic? How you doing? Human doesn't work. You have to actually type it correctly. No, where? What the heck? Why is this not working? Mind break. Oh, geez. Huh. Maybe I can't show this off. That's kind of weird. That's so weird. Okay, well, I guess I can't show the coding thing off because it's just not running very well. Huh. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, there I am. Woo! In all my non-glory. Oh, got it. Okay. Boom. Check it out. So this is the chat program that's running behind the scenes. Zoom doesn't do anything yet, Garbage. There's a list of commands in the chat. So every time you guys type something, it shows up in this program, which, as you can see, is just super basic. Okay, tone it down there a little. Too basic. But then we got that goes into there's my ears. That goes into I love that you guys are just doing whatever. I wanted you to go into Python. Boom. So this is the Python code that's running. I know it's not like super. I'm going to cover the model for just 1 second. So this is all the stuff that's running behind the scenes. As you can see, it's searching for these specific words, but I can add in a whole bunch more commands if I want to, and it's like super easy. So we got all these guys just chilling up here. And it just all works and it's awesome. So yeah, there you go. Oh, explode would be a really good command. That would be a good one. I don't know how to fix that one, or to do that one, or I have some ideas for what I would do, but okay. And I am so happy this works. I'm checking the API code just again. You know, we could actually add a few while we're just chatting here. What about sus turns you into a red crewmate? Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm going to try something. Let's see, does this stop it from running, or is that still running? Okay, so that's still doing things. Okay. Okay, here's what we're gonna try and do real quick. I'm gonna try adding a new command while you guys are playing around. We're gonna go with Akari. It's Akari 2. We want this to be Akari 2. Payload is now Akari. Okay. If and data Akari 2. Let's see, Akari. Okay. Now all I have to do is meow. Okay, so we did that, we did that, we did that. Now, all right, I have to stop the script for just 1 second. Give me just 1 second, guys. So we're gonna stop that script. We're gonna run this one. And now, what we're gonna do Model ID, got it. Okay, okay, okay. So we got that. We can go back to running this. Okay, the program's back live. So now there should be a new one. Let's see if this worked. Oh, it worked. There we go. We have a new challenger. So we added a new command named Akari. That's the name of this model. See, like, that's how easy it is to add stuff. You can just do it. So, yeah. It's really cool that we can just add stuff as we go. Let's see, is there anything else cool that we could just slap in here real quick? That would be really cool. Let's look at the API, see if there's anything that's like crazy. But this is why I like working with this. You can just do stuff. Let's see. Now, oh my gosh. Oh, that is unfortunate that's, hold on. Maybe I need to disable that one. If the big command, oh, if the big command just zooms into that, that's bad. Oh no. Okay, it doesn't quite. Oh gosh. That's almost a dangerous command. Oh, love it. Wow, we are still doing just fine. Guys, we're not even at 20%. Oh, that's a nice belly button right there. Backflip, jeez. Okay, so that one works. Let's see. What are some of the other shenanigans we could do? Oh, we can just do hotkeys. Okay. You guys are going to. You guys are going to horny jail. That's where you guys are going. Jeez. We're going back to Catland. Catland's safe land. Mary. Oh, that's funny. Man, this has been great. Oh. That was weird. I like disappeared for a split second. Jeez. So now we have yet another command. The thing I want to also start doing, which I could add these in, but I don't want to right now. There's a whole bunch of like nudge commands where you can You can nudge things left and right. You gotta clip that part. Yeah, I'll have to. I wasn't ready for that. I wasn't ready for that. Dude, someday soon we'll have clips. Someday soon. We're only 360-ish subscribers away, by the way. Anyone watching, like the video. You know you want to. It doesn't help that when you swap from the cat, like it just goes straight to the midriff. You guys swap into Hikari. Uh-oh. Oh gosh. Oh wait, they're adapting. They're figuring it out. Certain command shades. Oh gosh. Oh, there I go. Now the other cool thing. Oh, you know, here's actually a. This one will require a little bit more time to figure out. You're gonna have to reset me to be able to get this back. But you guys can also do expressions and things too. So like any of these buttons, like all the stuff on the side here. Oh my gosh, you guys have figured it out. Okay, hold on. We gotta take this command away from you guys for a little bit. I can't make it quite so easy to be that on stream. Oh geez. I can stop you. I can stop you. For the good of the stream, I must stop you. Okay, we're gonna. There we go. Does Vtube Studio have a character position system in the API? Yes, it does. That's how things are moving around. The thing I need to do, the reason why it's a problem is because this is tyranny. Release Kari. Oh geez. Look. We'll unlock her occasionally. What I want to be able to do is get it so the positions are a little bit right, because I'd rather. By the way, the Hikari command is disabled for the moment, I think. Maybe. I actually don't know if that disables it. I'm disappointed like my parents. Jeez. But the thing that I need to figure out is seeing if I can lock commands to models. So like when you do swap models, it doesn't like zoom into the boobas or the crotch, you know, immediately. It at least starts normal, and you can go weird from there. But you know, Hikari. Okay, well, let's see. Did the Hikari command block? Okay, Hikari's currently blocked. We'll bring her back though. We'll bring her back. I'll yeah. I will leave her unblocked. There you go. Okay, she's back in the loop. You guys can have your Hikari for now. That's so funny that you learned how to do it. Finally, I can read the YouTube API. I only need 5 websites open to understand the basic structure of the functions. Yeah, the YouTube API is kind of weird. guys. Oh my gosh. I'm surprised that reset doesn't work. Oh geez. Lock on view. There you guys. Are you guys happy now? Are you happy? Immediately into big. Oh my gosh. You guys are terrible. You're terrible. Oh gosh. I can't even keep fixing it because you guys have figured out how to just do what you want. Oh gosh. Oh wait, now I'm just disappeared. I don't know where I went. Okay, so this has been a great proof of concept, and what makes me really happy is as long as I'm not spam calling the YouTube API, it's just gonna work. I don't know where I went though. You guys are gonna have to reset to figure out where I am, because I don't even know where I am. You gave us the power, so we must use the power. There we go. That's weird that reset. Why does reset do that? Hold on. I'm actually gonna look at why reset is position. Oh, I know why reset's not doing what it's supposed to. Hold on. I restarted the script real quick. Is that gonna fix it? That's why. Okay, it's fixed. Okay, that's what reset is supposed to do. Reset's supposed to go to the face. I don't know if it works for the cat. Oh, you know what? I think what it was is, I think it's center is supposed to be for the cat. Man, I don't even remember what I did when I was doing this stuff. Yeah, center is for the cat, and reset is for the main model. That's what it was. I think that's what it was. I should probably just make it like reset human and reset cat, honestly. That seems like that'd be a good thing to do. So now the real question is, does it work on Akari? Let's find out together, shall we? Okay, so maybe reset doesn't fully work on the cat. Okay, so there's the head. Okay, so reset doesn't fully work on her either. Oh, gosh. I wonder if it works on her if she's big. Let's find out. Kinda. And immediately you guys just go there. That's okay. Okay, I think the reset fix that I did didn't really do much. Hold on, let's try this one. Stop that and then restart it again. Let's see what happens. Okay, I changed to reset one more time. Gosh, you guys just know exactly what you want. You know what? I can respect that. You know what you want and you're going for it. I can respect that. See, so now we could add in all the other models as well, because these are all the models that we have to work with. We have Akari, we have Haru, Hijiki, Hiyori, Toru, and Wonko. So these are all the models that we could play with. Like we have this one too. This one doesn't move nearly as much, but it's a thing. This one was actually kind of weird because I had to like discombobulate it to make it work. Okay. Okay. Oh gosh. Whoa. Eyes up here. Eyes up here. So let's swap to this guy. This would be a fun one to add. Little puppy. Ah. Good old rainbow dog. See, now what I need to do is I should have different scripts for different like scenes, right? It's like it's fun to have all the shenanigans and stuff happening. Oh, there, back to cat. It's fun to have like a scene where you guys can just go crazy and just do whatever you want. But there's a fun one, like if I ever do like normal streams, like having you guys be able to mess around with things in the corner and have it all work just also sounds like a really good time. I'm still just so happy that this worked out as well as it did. I might make this into a video somehow, like another Vtube Studio video, because this is some of the cool stuff. Like this stuff's just so cool. Feed. Oh, that would be a good command to add in. I don't think you can request items just yet, but if you could, that would be sick. You know what? Actually, let me check the documentation real quick. Are items something that we can add? Getting a list of folders. Okay, so currently you can only request the items, but in the future, if you can spawn them in, that means you could do stuff like requesting head pats or, you know, a hat or just really anything, honestly. The dog command doesn't work. So we could probably add it real quick. Let's see. BTS command. Okay, we're gonna have to kill commands for a second. Parameter get. Okay, let's see here. So we have view format wardrobe. Okay, let's see here. So we have Akari, we have model name Wonka, model ID, got it. Okay, let's add him into the mix real quick. This shouldn't take more than 30 seconds or so. Donate innocent souls. Oh my gosh. So the model name is Wonko. Wonko 2. Okay. So that's added in. We need to add in the correct model ID. Okay, so that's added in, that's added in, that's added in. You look different, just can't really say. Welcome Azulu channel. We're having fun. All right, so if byte equals Wonko in data, Wonko function run. Okay. Thanks for the nijisanji help editions video, by the way. Hey, glad I could help out with that. Hopefully you found the advice useful. Okay guys, the new part's live. So in theory, if I do this, did that change it? That's the model's name. It didn't do anything. Is this still running? Yeah. Oh, whoops. I ran the wrong thing. Okay, now it's running. Okay, now we can try it. Now we can try it. So this should change us to doggo. It did not. Oh, yes, it did. There we go. There we go. It worked. It worked. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, so now the doggo is a portion of the stream. See, it's just so easy to add commands. I love it. Oh, we did it. So good. So good. So yeah, now you guys have some good ideas. Human. Okay. You go back there. Hello. I can't see your name. Boom. Oh, do you know what? We're actually gonna try something. We're gonna try something. All right, I'm gonna rename the command to just dog instead of you guys trying to remember its name. Okay, so we're gonna rename that. So we're gonna stop and start. Okay, so now you can just do exclamation mark dog to get the other one. Supposedly. Did that not work? Oh, whoops. I changed the wrong parameter. 1 second. Gotta fix that. Gotta fix that. Dog. There we go. Yep, it works. Hey, what's up, Nancy? Nancy Vrolix, gotcha. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the chaos. Yeah, I am live. I am, in fact, live. Did that fix it? Nope, that didn't do anything. How about that one? There we go. Okay, so center works. Center works. Yes, I am still watching. Thank you, YouTube. Gotta have my music. Perfect. Hey, welcome, Mana Screams. Let's see, how are we doing on the API usage? We're at 40%. You're gonna go live? Well, have fun with your live. Man, this has been great. We're gonna swap back to our usual scene for now. There we go. This avatar's cute. The doggo is pretty good. Man, this was oh, back to Akari, I see. Now, I think I fixed the reset command for her. Let's see if it works. Oh. And we're back to dog. We're just swapping all over the place. But hey, that's the purpose. That is the purpose. Let's see. You mentioned, I wonder if you'll be able to display text on the screen. Yeah, so that's actually pretty easy. Rando. I just haven't done it. I like how you guys keep on fighting over which model should be active. It's so good. In the future, what I want to add is like a cooldown timer, which shouldn't be too hard to do, where I can, like, you just put a 5-second timer or like 10-second or however many second timer in between like commands, so it can only activate like once every couple seconds or something like that. It did your spin command before your rainbow one. Probably because the spin command was programmed first. So the way that it's running everything is it's running everything asynchronously. And so what it does is when you put in 2 valid commands, it will check in the same line. Since both of those are accepted values, it looks down the array that I made and checks to see if either of those is a valid command. And so with how the code is set up, spin appears before rainbow. So if you have spin and rainbow in the same line, it'll always do spin first and then rainbow. However, here's another example. If you do rainbow and then, or dog and then rainbow, it'll do rainbow before dog. Yep, so first match goes first. The current list is big, small, reset, flip, cat, center, human, spin, rainbow, Akari, dog. It goes in that order. So it does the first match first. Whew. Man, I am so proud of this. This is easily some of the most satisfied I've been with like stuff I've done. Just because, again, it was just good, man. Just good. Who is Hyori? Oh, Huri isn't in here yet. You know, I'll just add all the models real quick. It'll only take me like a minute. So we have Wonko. Whoops. Let me add, is it Huri? Raelice, Totoro, Huri. Okay. I will add Huri in here as well. So define Huri. Open this up. Huri 2. Huri. Payload. Huri. Night, new basic. Huri 2. Okay. She is. Thanks for dropping by and supporting the shenanigans. Okay, so now if byte contains Huri in data, Huri. Did that work? Let's find out. All right, try it. Try it now. It should be live. Yep, Huri should be a model you can get now. Oh, whoops, I didn't change. Oh, no. Sorry, she still has Wonko's model ID number. One second. Okay. Now try. Now it should work. And then you'll probably have to reset her. Hey, it works. Nice. So there we go. We got Huri, Akari, we got Wonko, we got both my models. Everything's just working. And I'm really, really happy that YouTube's just letting it fly. We're not even at 42% of our daily quota yet. So this does seem like something that is really fun, and I'll probably just keep this for future streams and continue to add to it and, you know, refine things, make things better, all that stuff, and figure out how to like make it a little bit more accessible. Oh gosh. Don't send her on her. Oh gosh. I just read the O thing and I don't think no. So the problem Emlo isn't that YouTube blocks it. It's that we're running out of our quota of API calls. There's just a lot of basically as many. The issue I was running into earlier is that I ran out of, because you can only make 10,000 units of calls a day. And I thought that each message was 50 units because that's what happened before. But whatever changes I made to the program now only makes, it only costs 50 to open it. But then each message I think is 1. So It's the law. Oh gosh. But yeah, this is cool. This is the kind of stuff that like makes me want to stream more, because now I've got cool chat integration and can do stuff like this, and it's awesome. We'll probably also, where's El Doggo? I need to figure out better reset commands, because or just make them specific to each model. There we go. So yeah, center seems to work best for like the animals, and reset seems to work best for the humans. That just seems to, that's what we got to work with. So but yeah, yeah, that's what I did this weekend. I did this week, I guess. I'm just so happy it works. That caramel dancing clip is going to be great. That's going to be a fun Twitter one for sure. I want to get like music redeems and stuff in here too, because that'd be cool. Oh, it'd also actually be cool to have it like based off of emotes. Oh my gosh. Wait a second. Hold on. Hold the phone. Wait a second. Wait a second. I want to try something. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to search for. Okay, so what is this do? Hey, what's up, Iskiyoshi? How you doing? So it can read actual emotes. Interesting. So those show up on screen as those, whereas some are text. That's weird. That's interesting. That's super interesting. Go back to cat real quick. Good old kitty cat. Okay. So what this could mean is that in the future, for like emotes and stuff, I could have emotes tied to actions. Oh, that'd actually be a really interesting way of doing it for like if and when members ever become a thing. Because if I did it that way, we're gonna scroll down cat a little bit. If I did it that way, then because only members would have access to the emotes, and the emotes could control what happens. Oh my gosh, that sounds cool. I like that. Like special emotes that only members could do. That'd be cool. But I want to build like a huge library of commands for this and just have this be part of the stream from now on. So you guys can expect this to continue to be here. I want to make it a little bit easier for me to not have to worry about like where my model is on screen, or have it just like automatically run a reset command. Oh my gosh, wait a second. Oh, that's genius. Hold on, I just had an idea, because this way it wouldn't matter. Is if I had Streamlabs every 5 minutes or so, depending on how many messages have been sent, just send a reset command put the model back to normal. That'd actually be pretty cool. Because then, you know, sure, things would look crazy for a little while, but they would always eventually go back to normal. That's cool. Okay, I have some ideas. I'm gonna play around with this quite a bit. I'm gonna see what we can get done. But yeah, this has been great. Thanks so much for coming out, guys. Like, there's not a whole lot of things that I'm like super proud of, but this is definitely one of those. I'm very proud of what I did here. I am watching your audition tips videos and I think they're really helpful. Hey, I'm glad they're helpful. I'm glad I've gotten a lot of good comments about those. So I'm really glad that my advice seems to have been good advice. Most of that stuff actually just comes from my own experience as someone who's hired a lot of people. So we submitted yesterday. Thanks for the videos. Hey, welcome, Jae Jung. When does it ends today, right? When did the nijisanji auditions end? I know it's August 1st, but I can't remember what JST time it is. 11. Oh wait, no, that's when they open. They end August 1st, 23:59 JDT. What is PDT time? Oh, they end tonight. 22 hours. Yep. Okay. I hope you can be a successful VTuber on the VTuber app Reality. I've never heard of that. Avatar live streaming. I hadn't heard of that until this morning. One smartphone. I'll have to look into this. I might do a video on this if it's pretty cool. Yeah, I wasn't gonna leave the submission time zone difference mock-ups. Yeah, that's a good decision. Not procrastinating is a great decision. In fact, I'm pretty sure that's one of the advice I give. Hey, what's up, Nico? I try and change it to cat. Rando immediately changes to Akari. It's okay. Oh wait, why did mine go after you? That's weird. It's okay. You guys can do whatever you want. You prefer Akari? I figured you would. I'm just glad it all works. Reality's okay because you can live stream and collab with people. That's pretty cool. I'll have to look into this because this actually looks kind of interesting. I don't know if I'd ever use it, but because you know I live stream on YouTube, right? But it's pretty cool. There's so many cool new VTubing programs that are just popping out all over the place. So good stuff, man. Good stuff. Hey Ray, what would you say is the biggest difference between VTubers and live streamers? What do you mean difference? I mean, VTubers are in general live streamers. I think it's more common for them to be live streamers than anything else. I'm kind of an outlier where I do more videos. But what sets them apart from regular live streamers? In the end, not a whole lot. I'm gonna be honest. Like, it's still streaming. It's just there are some forms of content that are easier to do IRL, and there are some forms of stuff that are easier to do virtual, and there's also some things that you can only do in either space. Like, for instance, today's stream wouldn't have been, this isn't something you could do IRL. It's just not a thing. Like, you could do something similar, like, you know, controlling a robot that moves around a room or other stuff. But in general, like, the only real difference between people who use their face and people who don't and use an avatar is your style of content. What, you can't cosplay as Hardcore? No, you definitely could. But that's different. That's different. You know, it's just different, you know? And I think that you're gonna commit non-living real quick. So I think a real issue is that there's a lot of VTubers who use an avatar, and this has been myself included, by the way. I'm not calling anyone else out. I'm actually calling myself out here. Is I didn't really take full advantage of what being virtual could do. Like, I tried to be a regular streamer who was a VTuber. And those are the type of VTube streams that aren't really that cool. They're not really that good. Because you're not using the strengths of the virtual avatar. There's a lot of really cool stuff you can do. Like again, today's chat interaction stream with the rainbow stuff and all that shenanigans. You could do something similar IRL, but like, this is pretty unique and cool to the virtual space. Being able to write programs to do stuff for you, that's pretty unique to the virtual space. Reality only tracks your face. It doesn't track body or hands. Oh, interesting. I mean, technically my iPhone only tracks my face. But yeah, that's actually that's something that's, I think a lot of VTubers struggle with, Nico, is trying to do content that is really good for one type, like IRL, but not doing the stuff that's really good for virtual. So I don't know. Even I'm not that good at it. I need to get better about actually using my expressions and stuff. I watched a couple of videos of like how some of the big VTuber streamers do it, and they do a lot of like just chatting, but they're always all holding their like stream deck, and like they've got the button presses memorized to match up with their emotions and all this other stuff. So I need to get better at actually using the emotion stuff. What appeals to me most is making virtual environments, then the V2 model looks fitting in that environment compared to having a green screen of a real life person will look weird. Yeah, I actually do really want to get like everything you've seen here is stuff that I have shamelessly ripped off the internet and sort of made my own. But I really want to find a good artist that, like, the real problem is I don't know what a good scene would look like for me. Oops, there goes my wallet. I don't know what a good scene would be for me, because I'm not really design gifted. So like, for instance, just we're gonna swap back to human model just for context. I want someone to make something that matches this aesthetic and looks natural, right? Like that's what I want out of a background. I don't know how to make that, and I don't know how to describe that to someone. So my goal is to find someone who can look at my model and make something that matches its theme, so I can have a really good background, and I'm willing to pay for it. But the problem is I find a lot of people that are like, oh yeah, of course I can do that. And I'm like, well, some of your other stuff doesn't really look like it matches that well. So it's a little rough finding the right artist. But since it's not a time crunch or anything, and the stuff I have, it works. You know, it's not the best, but it works. I'm not in any rush, so I can afford to take my time and look. So but that is something I've most recently really started to try and look for, is something to fill that. Hey, we officially passed the halfway mark for our quota for the day. That means you guys have sent like 500 messages today. That's crazy. That is crazy. We've also now that we've settled down a little bit, I can go into talking about some interesting things that have happened. So this good old YouTube, it's been going really well, guys, like really well. I'm really happy and really thankful for you guys, because again, it's been going really good. And like stuff like today's stream, just it keeps that fire lit under me, you know, because motivation is like a weird thing for me, because I never feel like super demotivated, I guess. Like I feel discouraged, but I'm never not motivated to work on stuff. But when you have something really good, boy howdy. Oh, it just makes you even awesome. I imagine if your program was used by a Hall member, that quota would be filled within 5 minutes, probably. But the only reason why my quota is so small is because I'm nobody, right? You can request quota increase, which I did, which was probably unnecessary now that I look at it. So you know, that's YouTube, don't block me, please. I'm sorry for requesting it. But yeah, I don't think Hololive could use this. There's no way that it would last even more than like 5 minutes. Or can you imagine someone trying to use this on a debut? Like the sheer volume of comments, that would be insane. It would burn up immediately. Oh, though, back to the original point, guys, we could hit monetization by November, which is crazy. I'm not counting my chickens before they hatch, because we still got a long way to go, but we got some good stuff in the works. I'm a little surprised that the goals video I just put out, you guys actually liked a lot. I was really worried about that one. I ended up changing a big portion of the script the day that I filmed it, because I was like, you know what, we're gonna try and just make this more about what I did, what I think, what I do. Because before I changed it, it was kind of preachy in like not a great way. Like everything I said, I was backing up with like research, but it still just sounded so bland. Like It sounded like I pulled you guys into a classroom, tied you to a chair, and was like, I'm gonna lecture you for 6 minutes. Which is, you know, not the greatest idea. You know. But I'm pretty happy with that, how it turned out. It's one of the better opinion piece videos I've done. Joke's on you, I like getting tied to a chair. What'd you say? I'm coming for you. Hold on, hold on. I'm coming for you, Rando. I'm coming for you. Okay, that was a little creepy, but your body is ready. Jeez. Oh gosh. Yeah, these commands are going to be fun to just have around. I might do some streams where like the movement commands aren't active and it's just like, or the avatar swapping commands aren't active. That's what I mean. So we'll just have, you know, like spinning, rainbow and stuff, but I do want to add a whole bunch of other stuff to this over time. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Oh, also, okay, I promise I'll stop talking about numbers after this, but guys, I just really am blown away with all the support I've gotten recently. It's kind of like there's been the regular crew, like you guys who have been here for a long time, and you guys are awesome. But especially recently, man. Recently things have been so good. I've been so happy. And it's because you guys are awesome. We're finally starting to get like some good discussions going in Discord. We're getting, you know, because that's something I really wanted to have happen, is I really wanted to try and build a good place. Because like, I don't know. It's just been good. It's been good. I feel like, so what's kind of funny is like, if you compare these last like 3 months, I guess, compared to everything else I've tried, it's so nice to be on such a good path, you know? Hey, Mokugiri channel, welcome. You joined just as I was getting sappy. But I think it's going to be interesting. I'm really excited to see where we go throughout the rest of the year. How cute. It's nice to be sad. Yeah, it is. And it's just good. I'm just happy, you know. What we've done this month. So this is how crazy you guys have been recently. June was equal to everything from May, or from January to May. That's what June was. June was more than everything from January to May, and July is more than everything from January to July. Like, what the heck is going on, you guys? You guys are insane. That's so crazy. Yeah, so if things go at even remotely how they have been, Rando, yeah, I will be. I will be. Just because I like looking at like patterns and stuff. If we win at this same rate, we would hit monetization before the end of October, which is crazy. It's kind of funny because when I first started YouTube, right, my goal was like, I'm gonna get monetized in a year. That didn't happen, by the way. Well, actually, hold on, wait a second. Holy crap. Wait, hold on. Wait a second. No, wait, hold on. I have to check something. No, wait. By the way, guys, I've done 320 live streams. Just fun fact. Anyways. Apparently, according to YouTube. Okay. A lot of them are probably from a long time ago. Only 100 more for matching number. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, so I don't want to hype myself up for this too much because I want to stay realistic. But guys, if we hit 1,000 subs before October 3rd, or by October 3rd, we will have officially hit that goal of 1,000 subs in a year. Holy crap, that's actually crazy. I thought I was so far behind that. I forgot that I debuted on October 3rd. I thought it was way earlier than that. Like I published other videos before that, but October 3rd was like, we are a VTuber now. Wow. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. All right, time to kick it into high gear, I guess, and work super hard. Hitting that goal would be so sick. But at the same time, I'm also not gonna try and overexert. October 3rd is a Mean Girls Day. That make it doubly special. Oh gosh. Wow, that's actually crazy. I have to really go. I have to follow my own advice in my own goals video that I literally just posted. Oh hell, welcome Jump Jams. Wait, you've been here, right? Hold on, am I just forgetting who's been here this entire time? I have no idea. Cracked Knuckles, I must step up and be a good Reddit promoter. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna say no to that, rando. You know, I saw what you did for that other person. I'm not gonna say no. Oh gosh, man, that's so crazy. That's so crazy. Yeah, if we continue at this pace, hold on, I'm adjusting my spreadsheet to see exactly when that would have to happen, or if we're actually on pace. Okay, no, we're not quite on pace. Holy cow, you have, wow, that's a lot of subs every week. Wow. Okay, so we're not quite on pace. What we are on pace for is Like I said, we're on track to get it by the end of October, which would still be awesome. It's still like technically a year, right? You know, but who knows? Who knows? We'll have to figure it out. We'll have to figure it out. If I can figure out how to make this API stuff work and like for everyone, that would be gold, because that would just be great. You know, I want other people to be able to do stuff like this. I just need to, you know, I need to buckle up and get ready and learn how to make it accessible to people, because right now I don't know how to do that. I'll be perfectly honest. I mean, you guys know I'm not a programmer. I do a lot of fun stuff, but I am not a programmer. Oh man. I'm excited. I'm excited for the future. Ray chat. If I can figure out how to make it an all-inclusive plugin, that would be good. I mean, it technically works. The nice thing is that it just kind of runs in the background. So like right now I could publish it and it would just work. The only issues, there's a few issues that I have to face. First off is making the chat program work, because right now you have to change it every time you go live on YouTube, because it looks for a specific live stream ID. That's something I gotta fix. There might be an easy solution for that though. Issue number 2 is I have to have it run an authentication on first load, so it can make an authentication key and then store its own authentication key. That's something I have to have it do. But then the rest of it just works. As long as, you know, Vtube Studio's running normally, it works. So we'll see if I can get it done. But that's what I'm going to be working on this week. You know, we'll have this running again next week. You know, we'll have a lot more stuff for it. Hopefully I'll work on some fun new integrations and that. It might be something where like I add a new command like every week or two, or like one new command a week kind of a thing. So we eventually just have a giant library of stuff. So, you know, if you show up often, you'll know all the commands, kind of a thing. And I might do like a Streamlabs bot, like if you type in, you know, ! command, it'll show a big old fat list or something like that. But yeah. You were able to do all this in just 2 days. Well, we'll see. The thing is like anything, you can do a big portion of the stuff really quickly, but to finish it off, that's where things get really complicated. Because I'm really good at getting things 90% of the way done, like very quickly, but it's that last 10% that takes me forever. I mean, like, look at our 3D environment, right? Like that's like 80% done. But bro, I'm literally trying to automate the stream ID using channel ID to see all broadcasts and gives you the newest. That could definitely work. My main issue is that all of this code is stuff that I've copied / altered from various tutorials. So I still don't fully understand what all of my own code means yet. I'm getting there, but it's not quite there. But that's just something I have to work on, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. But it'll just take me some time to finish it off, you know. Hopefully I can do it before anyone else does, but we'll see. That's my goal, at least, is to try and get something working before. I know there's at least 2 other people doing it, but I think they're doing it in different ways. One person I know is doing it as a Unity project, which I am not doing. Mine is all in Python. / technically there's a script running in C#, but I've learned enough in even in these last few days that I might be able to just get that into Python and have it run. But we'll see. Even if it starts off as you have to run these 2 programs and make, like, that's how it works, you know, that might be how we have to start things. But if I can get it out to people and make it work, yeah, Python sharp. You know, the C# program is what's pulling the chat. So the C# program pulls chat from YouTube and then passes it on to the Python program. That's all the C# program is doing. Well, it's because the C# program wasn't originally made for this. It was made for my 3D environment where it's passing it off to other C# stuff. And it's all part of a Unity project that's running it. So it wasn't made for this. I just knew that this program I already had worked. And so it was easier to have it, to adapt the one that I knew worked to work for this new application than it was for me to try and relearn how to set it up in the first place. Because I just wanted to get this running. So it's part of it's part of the Unity project. That's why it existed. I just adapted it for this. So in theory, it shouldn't be that hard to just make it run in Python. Like, it's not a very complex script. So yeah, the eventual goal is to have all of this in one Python application. And in addition, actually, hold on, let me show you guys. Let me show you. Does this one still work? That's a great question. I actually don't know if this one still works. Let me try opening the GUI version of this. Does this have anything? Big, small, spin, tints, Okay, yeah. Run main loop. Okay. We're gonna stop that. We're gonna start the GUI. Okay, so the GUI version works. So the ultimate goal, add in a little window capture here just so you can see it. Add a new source as GUI. I have a GUI that sort of works, but it also doesn't work. So here's the GUI in all of its glory. This is before I added a bunch of the new commands, so this only has a few commands. But I want to make a GUI that has all the buttons. So like, you see all the commands that it currently has. It'll have a little screen, so it'll display the text coming in that it's pulling from YouTube. And that's what it's using to run the code. So that's kind of the ultimate goal. Is I want this all to be one little program that just runs and that stuff. Now, what I could do is just release the code that I have and tell people how to make it work, but it's kind of not user friendly. But I don't know, maybe people don't care. Maybe people just want to do it, you know? I don't know, what do you guys think? Because I'm fine to release the code that I have. It's not like groundbreaking or anything. It just works. But it does require a lot of little setup. It might be a little advanced for the regular user base of people that I have, because this is kind of outside of the normal like generic VTuber tutorial stuff. This is like the first step into like intermediate territory. Sorry, I gotta blow my nose. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. If you do release the code, I suggest make a video about it, at least the announcement of the code. Then you can create an additional video for the tutorial and setting it up. Yeah, I'll have to think about how I want to show it off. Because I really would. The way I want to make this, I want to make it so easy that, because I honestly, I can't really, if something goes wrong with what people are doing, I really don't know how to help you troubleshoot. Like, what I want to do is make it so that you open the program, you click authenticate, it runs the authentication code because you have to do that. And then you can start doing all the flip avatar, all the other shenanigans, and then like another button so you can change the stream key. That's all. That's literally all I want it to do. So like, if that doesn't work, I don't know how to help you fix it. That's my issue. Is me putting something out there that I can't help someone fix doesn't feel good, you know? But who knows, maybe that would be enough to get like someone who is really interested in the product or project to hop on board, you know? But I mean, there's always the case where someone might just take the code and make it themselves, I guess. But you know, that is what it is. Honestly, if they wanted to do that, they could probably write a better code than I could, because mine is definitely not optimized. It's really not optimized, guys. Like it's pretty bad. It's really bad. But it works, so I don't care. Pew, 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 pew. All the buttons work. This doesn't have any of the other ones, but all the buttons work. Oh, this is the old reset. It doesn't fix it. That's fine. Alrighty. So I think that's where we're gonna call it, though. We're at about our 2-hour mark. Oh, we're a little over. I'm just glad everything worked today, and like I said, this stuff's just gonna be part of the stream from now on, as long as it continues to work. And yeah, we're gonna see what we can do with it, see how we can just make it work. And yeah, thanks for coming, everyone. It was a lot of fun, and you can definitely expect to see some clips, at least on Discord and Twitter, and I'll probably post all the fun clips to the secondary channel. Good old Raelice the cat, which I'll probably just be naming to Raelice Live or something like that. I don't know. I want to start putting some gaming content on there too, because I still do like making that stuff. But well, the side channel will start seeing some love soon. But yeah, thanks for everyone for coming, We had an absolute blast, and this is probably one of my favorite streams I've ever done. So I'm excited to have this just be part of the stream from now on. So I hope you all have a good morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are in the world, and I hope to have more exciting stuff for you next week. Join the Discord if you're not already in it, by the way, anyone who's here. We have fun, I promise. And I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.